So how did you travel here? Did you take you go to LA or
through Houston.
okay, and then Houston all the way to here?
Yeah, 17 hours flight. It was about the same.
15 and a half, yeah.
Yeah, it was a long
It was the longest flight I'd taken.
LAX.
Before that, it was to Dubai.
Okay, let's
Oh,
hold
yeah.
that for just a second. I want to take a picture of this.
Yeah, I did Philly to Dallas and then here.
Okay.
Qantas. That was 17 plus schedule at 1725.
Yeah.
And
They made extra, you know.
yeah, it made good. Like we had good wins, fair wins.
Greg, in the TV show NCIS Sydney, have you watched that with me a little bit?
I've seen a couple episodes.
Do they have their headquarters?
Yeah, it does. And that they may just show the outside of that, and then have a sound stage.
Right.
But I'm wondering if it's
Much like the accent.
Right. I like seeing the train go
Yeah, that ferry's cooking.
Mm-hmm.
And we had armed merchant cruiser, the commerce freighter.
I do not, but we need to.
Not that I know of.
Greg will put that over there on the table. Here, I'm putting this upstairs.
It's unlikely. They must have some sort of security though for the rowdy
Maybe
place.
You getting the mugs, Wendy?
I am. I'm getting the rugs, man. Maybe I can find what pocket they're in. God forbid. Maybe in one.
She's gonna miss it.
Well, remember last time when you tried to look for something there?
I know, exactly.
You think you
can't
would have
find
found the
them.
mugs, There we go.
We'll have our Indiana cousin take our pictures for you.
Yeah.
You guys watch Sunday Morning with Willie Geist?
Never heard of that. No.
We're old.
Probably not.
Is that like McLaughlin Group or something? Or?
What? It's Today's show.
The Today Show
on the weekend.
Sunday
Oh.
Sunday morning. Willie Geist, he is like the anchor.
I don't even have regular TV
They
service.
have the Today, like, so if you hold your mug and get a picture,
right.
they actually put your picture holding the mugs on TV. So
Oh, okay.
we gotta be famous,
So do you
somehow.
want it to go the other way to Today's show?
No, we just hold it. It's a Sunday today. Well, you can hold one saying today, we'll hold one saying Sunday. I will be fine. I got the POS.
Oh, you can see the people in there.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Hey, we fly right here.
Yeah. Hope it doesn't collapse just as we go under. It's really old, 1931.
Top deck, touching.
Yeah. We make it. The flag of New South Wales.
Wow, that is actually pretty close. Smokes.
Yeah. Well, if it hits, I got it on camera. Slice off the top of the funnels.
Holy cow.
Oh, it's like 10 feet. Okay, it's like 4 Sorry. We made it. Made it. 'Cause I was thinking like, oh, we should go up there, but then I'm like, well, that funnel came down. It's not a bit. It's not a good place to stand. Hello, people. See the people up there, John? They're insane. I went in that tower. And over here, circular key. Open house.
See, you got to sail on the bridge. Take one now.
Yeah. So that's the tower I went up in. I just walked up. They have exhibits.
Oh, that's cool.
Like
You did the tower,
It's like
not the
$20.
bridge.
Yeah, 'cause that's like, I think it's hundreds.
Oh, wow.
Sure.
Okay, throw out the meat.
No, I didn't even eat yet.
Take a picture now. You're on the back of the boat, but
Alright, that's enough video. Satisfied? No one's still watching probably.